Formstack Enterprise App. The pros, the cons. Formstack Enterprise App is a comprehensive platform for creating forms, automating workflows, and managing documents at scale. Most people get this wrong if they think it's only for simple forms. The enterprise version adds workflow automation, compliance features, and integrations suitable for large organizations. On the pro side, Formstack Enterprise allows for advanced forms with conditional logic, payment processing, e-signatures, and automated approvals. It integrates with Chrom's marketing tools and cloud storage platforms, enabling seamless workflow automation. Enterprise features include user roles, audit trails, SO and HIPAA or GEVR compliance, ensuring security and regulatory adherence. Automation tools can write submissions, send notifications, and update databases, reducing manual effort and improving efficiency. On the con side, some users mentioned that the platform can be complex to configure for highly customized workflows. Pricing scales with users and feature access, which may be a factor for large teams. In conclusion, Formstack Enterprise App is ideal for businesses seeking secure, automated workflows for forms, approvals, and data management. Its flexibility, iterations, and enterprise-grade controls make it a powerful tool for enhancing productivity, reducing errors, and streamlining operations across large organizations.